What if I told you that your heartbreak could be the very thing that makes you stronger? Not just stronger in the moment, but stronger for the rest of your life. Stick around and I'll show you how to turn your pain into power. Heartbreak is one of the most painful experiences we can go through. It can feel like everything you knew and trusted has been ripped away, leaving you with a deep void. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be the end of the story. What if I told you that you can turn your heartbreak into something powerful? That you can transform your pain into strength, resilience, and even growth. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of turning heartbreak into a source of strength. I'll share the truth about why heartbreak doesn't have to break you and how you can use it to fuel your future success. Get ready, because this journey is about more than just surviving. It's about thriving. First, let's get one thing straight. Heartbreak sucks. It's uncomfortable, painful, and it feels like you'll never feel whole again. And that's okay. The first step to turning heartbreak into strength is not running away from the pain or pretending it doesn't exist. The key to healing is allowing yourself feel it fully. It fully, fully. Or you can move on or grow unless you first acknowledge what you're going through. Remember, feeling the pain doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. You're allowed to cry, scream, and feel everything. It's part of the process. But once you've given yourself that space to feel, it's time to move to the next step. But rather than seeing heartbreak as something that only hurts you, see it as an opportunity to learn. Ask yourself, what did I learn about myself? What can I take away from this experience that will help me grow? Oh. Maybe you learned that you need stronger boundaries, or maybe you realized you've been putting others' needs above your own. Whatever it is, take those lessons and use them to shape your future relationships and your self growth. The pain is temporary, but the lessons can last a lifetime. Heartbreak. It's something we all go through at some point in our lives. Whether it's the end of a relationship, the loss of someone close, or the crushing realization that something we thought would last forever is now gone. It hits hard. And when it does, it can feel like the ground has disappeared beneath your feet. It's like your world just crumbled and you're left standing there in the ruins, unsure of how to move forward. But what if I told you that this pain you're feeling isn't just a burden? Isn't just a burden. What if it could become the very thing that makes you stronger than you ever imagined? Here's the thing about heartbreak, it's an undeniable part of the human experience. Everyone goes through it at some point. And while it's painful and raw, it's also a transformative experience. So, it's easy to get lost in the pain, to get consumed by the sadness and regret. If you approach it in the right way, heartbreak can turn into the fuel that drives you toward a better, stronger, and more powerful version of yourself. The first thing you need to understand is that heartbreak is not a sign of weakness. It's not something to be ashamed of or something to be ashamed of or something to hide from. But here's the trick, you can't stay in that place of pain forever. Yes, it's important to grieve, to allow yourself to feel the hurt, but the real power comes from what you do next. After the initial shock, after the tears have been shed, you have the opportunity to make a choice. So, you can either let the heartbreak define you, or you can let it refine you. One of the hardest things to do after heartbreak is to shift your focus from what you lost to what you can gain. When you're in the middle of it, all you can think about is how much it hurts. Hmm. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that you'll never be happy again, that your life will never be the same. But here's the reality. Hmm. Hmm. That here's the rate should be the end of your happiness. In fact, it could be the beginning of a new chapter in your life, one where you're stronger, wiser, and more in touch with your true self. What if you took this heartbreak and used it as a catalyst for change? What if you saw it not as something that happened to you, but as something that happened for you? That's the mindset shift that will help you move forward faster. Instead of focusing on the pain, focus on the lessons you can learn from it. What have you learned about yourself? What have you learned about what you truly need in relationships or in life in general? What boundaries do you need to set in the future? What will you do differently moving forward? When you shift your focus from the pain to the potential for growth, Abba, you begin to reclaim your power. It doesn't have to be a defining moment of weakness. It can be a defining moment of strength. The stronger you get, the easier it becomes to handle life's challenges because you'll begin to realize that you can survive and even thrive. After heartache, after heartache, that another important realization to have when going through heartbreak is that your worth was never tied to that relationship or that person or that situation. So often, when we are in a relationship, we start to define ourselves based on how we're treated by the other person. If they love us, we feel good about ourselves. If they leave us or hurt us, we feel like we've lost our value. But the truth is, your worth was always within you. It's not dependent on someone else's actions or opinions. You are valuable because of who you are, not because of what someone else did or didn't do for you. When heartbreak comes into your life, it forces you to reconnect with yourself. It forces you to realize that you are enough on your own. And this is incredibly empowering. This is incredibly empowering. Ar barik amparing. Da. Because once you realize that your worth is intrinsic and not reliant on anyone else's love or approval, you're free. You're free to be who you truly are. You're free to build a life that reflects your values, passions, and desires without needing someone else's validation. And that's the power that nobody can take away from you. One of the hardest parts of heartbreak is the loss of your sense of self. Self. When you're deeply connected to someone, it's easy to lose sight of who you are outside of that relationship. Every day you get out of bed, even when you don't feel like it, is a victory. Every time you take a step forward, whether it's going to work, spending time with loved ones, or just getting through the day, you're building strength. You are building strength. Over time, these small acts of resilience will compound, and you'll start to realize just how powerful you really are. Pain has an incredible way of pushing us to grow. It's easy to stay comfortable when things are going well. But when life hits us hard, it forces us to evolve. Forces us to evolve. Will your pain hold you back? The person you've all want to be? Channel healthy habits and pursue new opportunities. Don't let your pain hold you back. Use it as fuel to become the person you've always wanted to be. Maybe you start working on your career with more passion, or you take the time to work on your mental health. Maybe you travel, right? Or dive into new hobbies you've always been curious about. Whatever it is, let the pain transform you into someone even stronger and more resilient than before. But here's the hard truth. Turning heartbreak into strength is not easy. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to face the difficult emotions head on. It's not about pretending the pain doesn't exist. It's about giving yourself permission to feel it and then using it as a stepping stone to create a better version of yourself. The challenge is that most people want to avoid pain or bury it. But to truly heal, we need to confront it. The journey to strength isn't immediate, and it's messy. But I promise you, it's worth it. The key to turning heartbreak into strength is realizing that you are in control of how you respond to it. No one can take away your power unless you let them. The beauty of personal growth after heartbreak is that it's entirely up to you. Every choice you make in the aftermath of heartbreak, whether it's to wallow in pain or take action to heal, shapes the person you become. Let's take a look at real-life examples of people who have used heartbreak as a turning point. Take Oprah Winfrey, for instance. She's faced countless rejections, including a devastating breakup early in her life. But she turned that pain into fuel for her career. She didn't let heartbreak define her. She used it to propel her forward. And there are countless others who faced similar struggles and came out on the other side stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Their stories prove that it's possible to turn the deepest pain into your greatest strength. So, what's the key moment? It's realizing that the pain you're feeling right now isn't forever. Heartbreak may feel like it's swallowing you whole, but trust me, there is light at the end of the tunnel. And it's not just about getting through it, it's about coming out stronger. The key moment is when you look back at the pain and realize that it was necessary for your growth. It was part of the process that led you to become the person you were always meant to be. To turn heartbreak into strength, you need to go through the pain, not around it. You need to learn from the experience, rebuild yourself, and use that pain to fuel your growth. Remember, heartbreak doesn't define you, it refines you. It challenges you to grow, evolve, and become stronger than you ever thought possible. So, the next time you find yourself heartbroken, remember this: the pain you're feeling right now. And on the other side of that pain is a version of you that's more powerful, more resilient, and ready to take on the world. Keep moving forward because your strength is waiting for you. If you're ready to turn your heartbreak into strength and start your journey to healing, be sure to check out the next video on how to rebuild your life after a loss. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content.